Hello, welcome back to another Thirsty Thursday with Angie. Today I'm actually super excited to taste this wine. This is a producer that is near and dear to my heart from Italy. It's the Terlano Pinot Grigio. They are from Alto Adige, but a lot of time I think people think of Alto Adige as kind of this like cheap bulk wine region. But I just wanted to let you know there are a few small family-owned, really high quality wines out there, and this is gonna be one of them. Very exciting, the 2019 vintage. So in the glass, the wine is slightly effervescent. There's kind of a little bit of light bubbles in there. And just wanted to jump onto the pricing on this first. They are very affordable as well. I think it average to about $20 a bottle, but it's probably some of the best Pinot Grigio you will be able to find in the States. Let's try it. So very classic Pinot Grigio note. The one thing, especially during blind tasting, that we're looking for whenever we're doing Pinot Grigio is we wanted to feel that peanut skin. So like when you're eating roasted peanut, that little skin feel on the outside, the little nuttiness, that's kind of the hallmark of Pinot Grigio. With some just ripe apples, stone fruit, a little bit of citrus lime. Again, if you're used to drinking like the $5 Pinot Grigio, this will blow you away as far as complexity and the different expression of fruits and mineral that it has to offer. Well, what I really like about the wine on the palate is kind of how weighty it is. Another signature thing about pretty much all Pinot Grigio is they always have a slight bitter finish. It doesn't detract from the overall enjoyment of the wine, but that's just a signature taste that you will get from any Pinot Grigio grape varietal. So this one certainly has it, but it has good amount of acidity on the side, so it helps balance the wine. Sometimes one of the things with Pinot Grigio that I find that I personally will kind of drive me away from wanting to drink it is compared to a lot of the other white wine, Pinot Grigio a lot of time doesn't have a high enough acid for me to get that kind of refreshing mouthfeel that I like in a white. But the Terlano wines generally does have great mineral and citrus balance, and this wine was one of those as well. And I'm getting a little bit of the honeycomb, a little bit of the luscious, almost sweet-like floral notes there at the end. That also helped balance the wine very well too. Yep. Delicious yellow floral. I cannot complain about this wine at all. I think if you are a huge Pinot Grigio fan and you want to upgrade your Pinot Grigio game, this is the one to go for. If you like to drink wine and learn about the wines that you drink, remember to subscribe to www.angiesang.com so you can get all the updated wine videos just like this wine and be in on all the exclusive wine deal we have to offer as well. Until then, enjoy. Thank you very much.